Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allis if you are new, and if you are not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my July Boxycharm tutorial. Boxycharm tutorials, to me, I just find them so fun. I don't know, to film, to watch, to everything. I just love Boxycharm videos. I really hope that you are just as excited to watch this video as I am to film it. And with all of that being said, then let's go ahead and jump right in. Here we have a 20% off Wander Beauty if you use Wander Charm 07 and a 20% off Pharmacy if you use Charm 20. So if you're interested in that and you do not have Boxycharm, try out these little coupon codes right here. Save yourself some coins, girl, because we are all about that life up in here. Yes, ma'am. So the first thing that we have in the box this month is by Dr. Brandt. And if you do not know, Dr. Brandt is a skincare line. They're a very prestige skincare line, very high-end, very expensive. And I absolutely love getting them in the box every month because it is such a steal of a deal. Every time, girl. I'm all about that saving money life. So if I can get it in my Boxycharm and pay 20 bucks for it, it's a win-win situation for me. This is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I feel like we could all use ourselves some good old eye depuffing gel, especially with a lot of us who really aren't getting enough sleep. Hashtag no sleep all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on my eyes. It has an interesting shade right here because it's a little bit of an orange shade. And the retail on this is $42, which pretty penny right here. Very pretty penny. So it says, after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. So with that being said, it seems like you don't have to wash this off, which is great. And it has that really nice orange color. I would assume it's because it has like that salmon-y kind of like color correcting shade. It's a little bit sticky though, not gonna lie. Maybe once it dries it won't be as sticky, but if it stays as sticky as it feels right now, this is gonna be hella uncomfortable. So I'm gonna give it a minute there to dry because I couldn't assume that this is gonna stay as sticky as it feels. Next thing that I have is this Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and it says add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. Okay. This is interesting. I am extremely picky when it comes to my eyebrows, as you guys know, or maybe you don't. So I'm kind of letting them grow out, so I don't know how much this is going to work for me. So you kind of go like this. This is interesting. This is very interesting. It's interesting because it does have kind of like a powder-like consistency, even though it does say it's a cream. So this is the finished look on my brows, and I actually like them. I don't think they're bad at all. I do have some things that I don't like about it. I don't like the amount of product that it gives you. It seems like a very small amount. I don't know what you guys think, but it just seems like mine is like full up to here right now. I don't know, like right there. That's where the product starts. So it doesn't really have much product in it, and I also find it to be very expensive. This is $26. It's more expensive than the Dip Brow. It's more expensive than many other eyebrow pencils that I've seen at Sephora and stuff like that, which usually range from like $20 to $25, but usually not any more than that. So I think the price point of this is a little bit off. It needs to be cheaper. People are extremely loyal when it comes to their eyebrow products, so I just feel like if you're an eyebrow product, you really need to come correct. You need to be the right formula, you need to be the right shade, you need to be the right price. And I just think that this price is a little bit too much for what you're actually going to be getting. Now, on a more positive note, like I said, I do like the outcome of my brows. I think it is in a shade to this taupe shade is really nice, and I just think it would complement a lot of people's different, you know, hair colors. And like I mentioned earlier, I thought it was pretty easy to use for a product that I've never actually tried. So other than that, those are kind of my thoughts on this eyebrow product. So now the next product that I have here is this Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection palette. This one goes for $29.99, and mine looks like it took a little bit of a beating, but thankfully none of the shades actually cracked. I do have some slight dusting that isn't being picked up on camera right now. Really beautiful palette. It has really good sized eyeshadow pans, which is always a good thing for me. I'm gonna put this video on mute real quick. I'm gonna put some music over it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do something on my eyes to test out this eyeshadow palette. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much going to complete this month's Boxycharm unboxing tutorial video. The retail value of this month's box is over $130, which is always amazing to me. Boxycharm never disappoints when it comes to giving you a huge bang for your buck. So I did want to give you guys some of my overall thoughts on the stuff that I used while I was doing the tutorial. I do really like the palette. The only thing that I will say about it though is it does have a ton of fallout. I'm sure you guys saw it while I was doing my makeup. My whole face was pretty much all brown from the eyeshadows. So it does have a lot of fallout, so you do want to be very careful with that. I also really like the blush too. It is extremely pigmented and I really love this beautiful peachy shade. It is right up my alley and it is definitely a blush that I would absolutely gravitate towards. The retail price on this was $11.99, which is a pretty good price for a blush. And the last thing that I tried out that I didn't get a chance to really talk about was the Wander mascara. I did like this. I won't say it's my favorite mascara, but it is in interesting packaging because it kind of looks like the Too Faced, I think it's melted lipsticks. I think that's what they're called. So at first I thought this was a liquid lipstick, but I was surprised to find out that this is actually a mascara. So this is a really neat concept. It's very lightweight. So it is definitely a very travel friendly type of mascara because it's small. You can kind of fit it in your purse and it's very lightweight. So overall, I did like this month's box. Definitely going to give it a thumbs up because it was a really good one. And I'm going to leave you guys right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and subscribe to my channel and keep on coming back to the channel. I would really appreciate that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.